Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. I am here to discuss about a solution to create a timetable using software. Every school faces the challenge at the start of a new session for making the timetable. As of today, in this digital world, there is no application available that can fully automate this process quickly, accurately, and efficiently. I want to present a solution that not only saves the time but also ensures a well organized and error free timetable. Once we start making a timetable manually, many challenges are faced. It is a time consuming task that needs a lot of planning. Still, the timetable can lead some errors. Once the timetable is ready, arranging the substitution for absent teacher becomes another challenge. If a teacher is on leave in the last minute, it can create lots of confusion and disrupt the solution. This puts a lot of stress on the timetable in charge, who must find a substitute within the limited time. Being timetable in charge and into IT field, I took the challenge to develop a timetable software to find a solution that automatically generates the timetable for teacher and class with no clashes. Takes faculty available into account while creating the timetable, automatically arrange the substitution in a way that keeps the student engaged. The software is very user friendly and easy to operate. In short, it makes the entire timetable creation process smooth, efficient and stress free. The key features of the software: automatic generate the timetable, creates timetable for teachers which automatically generate the class timetable. This improves data management and saves significant time. Flexible scheduling. Software allows to create batch classes called batch scheduling, and multiple teachers in the same class section and period is called multiple scheduling. If you want to create timetable manually, then this process is also available. Only thing is we need to feed teacher timetable manually. Softwares ensure the no overlapping periods for teachers or classes. Any clash that occurs is reported immediately. System is also capable enough to handle zero period activity as per school need. Thereafter, smart substitution automatically assign the substitute teacher to keep engaged students. Once the timetable is ready, you can take out the printout of the different kinds of reports like class timetable, teacher timetable, class teacher list, free period list in Excel or PDF format. To create a timetable automatically, we need to provide some basic details. To create a new class and section, create a new subject, map the subject for each class and section, define the 0-hour activity. Now define subject-wise number of period for each class, section and subject. This software also handles the situation where students are divided into batches for a particular class and section, as students are opting different types of languages or optional subject or skill subjects. We can create any number of batches as per school requirement, map the faculties to the batch for better subject allocation and scheduling. Map all the faculties involved in multiple scheduling. Define period range within which multiple scheduling is allowed. This screen is very important as here map teachers with class, section and subject. Ensure accurate subject distribution across sections. Once all the basic inputs are provided, proceed to generate the timetable. The software creates it in a systematic and error-free manner for pre-primary, primary, middle, secondary and senior secondary classes. Once the timetable is created, we can review the timetable faculty-wise and class-wise. All the reviews can be exported in a CSV file for making the correction in the timetable. Review faculty-wise timetable to check workload balance, consecutive periods, proper spread of subject across days, free period utilization. The system can review the class-wise timetable to ensure non-academic periods are evenly distributed across all days. Heavy subjects are not allotted in the last period. Overall timetable is balanced and practical. Once the timetable is generated successfully, we can see the success rate class section wise. Also, we can see overall success rate of the timetable. Now let's talk about one of the most useful features of this software, that is intelligent substitution system. In every school, we know that teachers may absent due to leave, training or sudden reasons. When this happens, arranging a substitute teacher becomes a big challenge. Our software makes this process very simple and quick. As soon as a teacher is marked absent, the system automatically finds all possible free teachers available at that time. It also ensures that the workload is distributed fairly and avoids giving too many substitutions to the same teacher. This software also allows manual control, so if the school wants to assign a specific teacher, it can also be done in just one click. A substitution report can also be generated immediately, so both teachers and students know the changes clearly. This feature saves time, reduces confusion, and makes sure learning never stops even if a teacher is not available. Our software also includes a complete reporting section. From here, a school can generate and print all the important reports in just one click. These include the full class timetable, individual teacher timetable, faculty workload summary, teachers free period list, and many more useful reports. Having hard copies readily available helps in administration, monitoring, and quick reference. Now the question is, why AVSL timetable? Making a timetable manually is a time-consuming, confusing, and prone to mistakes. AVSL Timetable Software solve these problems by providing a fast, accurate, and user-friendly solution. It not only generates complete timetable automatically but also manages substitution, workload, reporting all in one system. With this, school saves time, reduces error, and ensure smooth academic functioning every day. Thank you for your time and attention. We would love to give you a live demo of AVSL Timetable software so you can experience how simple and powerful it is. For demo requests or queries, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. We appreciate your time. Let's simplify school scheduling together.